Welcome to Unicate Talks, the podcast produced by Unicate College, where we explore health and science through clear explanation, not trends or extremes. Collagen has become one of the most talked about substances in modern health culture. It's promoted for skin, joints, hair, nails, and aging, often packaged as powders, drinks, or supplements that promise fast results. But today, we're going to step back from the marketing and focus on a more important question. How does the body actually make collagen, and what genuinely supports that process over time? By the end of this episode, you'll understand what collagen is, how the body builds it, and why long-term support matters far more than quick fixes. This episode is designed for learners, educators, and anyone interested in approaching health with clarity and realism. Let's start with the basics. Collagen is a structural protein. It provides strength, flexibility, and support to skin, joints, tendons, ligaments, bones, blood vessels, and connective tissue. It is one of the most abundant proteins in the human body. Importantly, collagen is not absorbed as collagen when we eat it. All dietary protein, including collagen, is broken down during digestion into individual amino acids. The body then uses those amino acids to build the proteins it needs, including collagen. This means collagen is not something you simply replace. It is something your body constructs internally, step by step, when the right conditions are in place. To build collagen, the body requires three broad things. First, adequate amino acids, which come from protein in the diet. Second, specific micronutrients that act as cofactors in collagen synthesis. Third, an internal environment that supports repair rather than stress. Protein provides the raw materials. Amino acids such as glycine, proline, and lysine are essential for forming collagen fibers. These amino acids do not need to come from collagen supplements. They can be obtained from a wide range of foods, including fish, eggs, poultry, legumes, dairy products, and balanced plant-based combinations. What matters most is regular intake across the day, not a single source or product. One of the most important micronutrients involved in collagen synthesis is vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a critical role in stabilizing collagen fibers as they are formed. Without sufficient vitamin C, the body cannot properly assemble or maintain collagen structures. This is why vitamin C deficiency affects skin integrity and wound healing. Vitamin C is found naturally in fruits and vegetables such as citrus fruits, berries, peppers, leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables. Regular consumption of these foods supports collagen production in a way that aligns with the body's natural processes. Minerals also play supporting roles. Zinc and copper, for example, are involved in tissue repair and enzyme function. These minerals are present in foods such as nuts, seeds, whole grains, legumes, and seafood. Again, consistency matters more than supplementation unless a deficiency has been identified. Hydration is another essential factor. Collagen exists within a hydrated tissue matrix. Adequate fluid intake supports circulation, nutrient delivery, and tissue elasticity. Chronic dehydration can make connective tissues feel stiff or less resilient, not because collagen disappears, but because the environment supporting those tissues becomes less efficient. Regular hydration throughout the day supports collagen function indirectly but meaningfully. Digestive health also influences collagen production. Nutrients must be absorbed before they can be used. If digestion is disrupted, even a nutrient-rich diet may not fully support tissue repair. Regular meals, sufficient fiber, and gentle digestive rhythms help ensure amino acids and vitamins are available to the tissues that need them. This is one reason extreme diets and erratic eating patterns often undermine long-term tissue health. Another often overlooked factor is sleep. Collagen synthesis, like many repair processes, is linked to recovery states. During deep sleep, the body carries out maintenance and rebuilding across tissues. Poor sleep quality or irregular sleep patterns reduce the efficiency of these processes. Supporting consistent sleep is therefore just as important as diet when it comes to maintaining connective tissue health. Stress also plays a role. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which can slow tissue repair and regeneration. When the body is in a prolonged stress state, it prioritizes survival over rebuilding. This can affect skin, joints, and connective tissue over time. Managing stress through rest, routine, and recovery supports the internal environment needed for collagen synthesis. Movement is another key signal. Connective tissues respond to mechanical loading. Gentle strength training, weight-bearing activity, and regular movement encourage the body to maintain and repair connective tissue. This does not require intense exercise. Consistent, appropriate movement is enough to stimulate maintenance and resilience. Aging is often discussed in relation to collagen, and it's true that collagen production gradually declines with age. However, decline does not mean loss of capacity. The body continues to produce collagen throughout life. The rate and quality of production are influenced by nutrition, sleep, movement, hydration, and stress levels. Supporting these factors helps slow functional decline and maintain tissue integrity over time. One of the most important points to understand is timing. Collagen turnover is slow. Skin, tendons, and connective tissues remodel over weeks and months, not days. No food, supplement, or routine produces instant results. Improvements come from sustained support, not short-term interventions. This is why consistent habits outperform quick fixes in the long run. So when people talk about building collagen, what they are really talking about is supporting the body's ability to do what it already knows how to do. Before we close, it's worth bringing these ideas together. Natural collagen support is not about chasing products or forcing outcomes. It is about providing the conditions the body needs to build and maintain its own structural proteins. That means adequate protein, vitamin C-rich foods, sufficient hydration, regular movement, quality sleep, and manageable stress levels. When those foundations are in place, collagen production follows naturally, at the pace the body is designed to work. As we come to the end of today's episode, here is the key takeaway. Collagen is not something you add on. It is something you support. And the most effective support comes from steady, informed habits rather than urgency or extremes. Thank you for listening to Unicate Talks, produced by Unicate College. Our aim is always to turn complex health science into understanding that is practical, grounded, and useful beyond the classroom. If this episode helped clarify how collagen really works, take that understanding forward. Apply it patiently. Share it thoughtfully. And remember, long-term health is built through consistency, not shortcuts. We'll be back soon with another episode exploring the science behind everyday health and well-being.